So we have some breaking news for cryptocurrencies. Ethereum is going crazy right now. Yet Dogecoin and a lot of the other cryptos are not moving. What's going on? We've seen a little bit of a dip last night, but things are starting to uptick right now. In this video, we're going to be discussing why this is exactly happening and what is going to happen next. What's up, Myles? Ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos about Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies where we call out huge plays before they happen. If you want to get access to my profitable buy and sell alerts for cryptocurrencies, join the Patreon, which is in my top pinned comment or my video description. It's only $10 a month where you get access to those trade signals. And we have a bunch of other services. You can talk to me on the phone. We can build you a portfolio and much more. I'm giving away 200 Doge to one lucky winner this Saturday. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter, and put Dogecoin giveaway in the comments. We're gonna get started right now, but before we do so, if you love Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, smash up the like button. You know it helps to support the channel and to help to support the Dogecoin community. And let me know in the comments, why do you think Dogecoin is down while a lot of other cryptos are up? So here we have Ethereum, Bitcoin trading higher as the US Senate discusses cryptocurrency. So there's a bunch of senators who are fighting for our rights, who are fighting for cryptocurrencies, and this is very good. Now, there are people that understand that there's people that hate cryptocurrencies. So the people that are defending us in crypto, they know there's enemies for crypto, and what they're trying to do is they're trying to impose regulation that's actually going to be very good for cryptocurrencies. For cryptocurrencies, there's bullish regulation and then there's bearish regulation. So there's going to be regulations that can help cryptos, and there's going to be regulations that can try to push cryptocurrencies down. But some regulation, this is going to take a long time for all of this stuff to get enacted, but some regulation for cryptocurrencies is going to make it easier for big money, for institutions, for banks to get involved in the cryptocurrencies. So some regulation is actually going to be very beneficial and good to cryptocurrency, especially for its long-term health. So the Ethereum London hard fork just went live, and this is very good. We are seeing a huge price increase. If we take a look at Ethereum, a huge spike up. Ethereum hit over $2,800. We haven't seen this price in a long time. And as we've been calling out on this channel, Ethereum is extremely bullish. It is the most bullish crypto right now. We've had so many green days in a row. We've literally not had one single red day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 green days in a row for Ethereum. I don't even remember the last time that has happened. And every time there is many green days in a row for Bitcoin or Ethereum, generally there's a massive bull run. Generally, what it calls out as a huge bull run is about to get started. There is so much interest, so much money getting pumped into Ethereum right now. So the London hard fork goes live. So what it's actually doing is burning Ethereum right now, so that the projected supply of Ethereum is actually going down, which is really good. So it's going to be a limited asset, just like Bitcoin in the future. And what's also helping is that the gas fees are being significantly reduced. These are the two biggest things for Ethereum for this hard fork to happen, and it's looking very good. That's why the price of Ethereum is going up. Generally, on the day of an event, things go down because the hype pushes the price up. And when people are like, okay, nothing's happening, let's go ahead and sell and take our profits, that happens. But I thought this might actually not happen. A big crash might not happen. And generally, a big crash only happens on the day of an event when there's a huge spike in price, when you see 30%, 50% gains. That did not happen. Another thing is that this affected really good news. Not only, yes, it's going to be released, and here it is, but it's actually showing and beating expectations of what it was going to do as far as it's burning gas fees. And it's reducing Ethereum, it's burning Ethereum, it's making it deflationary. So this type of thing that's happening right now, as it's happening live and can be proved on the network, is very bullish. So that's why the price is allowing to spike up. And this could actually continue to bring the price up. So if we were to bet on it, the chances of Ethereum continuing to go up are very high, because we've had how many green days did we count out? 17 or so green days in a row. Why would it stop now? Why would it stop tomorrow? So personally, I would not be surprised if we see 3,000, just like we said a couple of days ago, and maybe a couple of days, we could see 3,000 this weekend for Ethereum and beyond. It really depends on what happens with all of this FUD, with regulation. It depends on what happens with the crypto market, but there's some very interesting data that I have to share with you. Before we move on, we see JP Morgan launches in-house Bitcoin fund for wealthy clients. So now wealthy clients of JP Morgan and Chase can buy Bitcoin. Definitely very bullish to see that people like JP Morgan who were bearish on Bitcoin the last month or two, the same people that were saying don't buy Bitcoin, stay away from it, are the same people that have to buy it, the same people that are investing in it, the same people that are buying it for their own profit. So it's saying, and this, we have another piece of article, it says Bitcoin is oversold. So what we are seeing is an oversold position for Bitcoin. So we're going to have to dig into Bitcoin, see where cryptos are headed, because Dogecoin really needs Bitcoin to start taking off. If we take a look at the crypto fear and greed index, we've bounced into neutral. So the sentiment is starting to pick up. The sentiment was down for this week. Things were kind of slow. Things were kind of down. Not only for Dogecoin, for Bitcoin, things were slow for a bunch of other cryptocurrencies because of this regulatory flood, which kind of put a brakes on things. But things are actually starting to turn out bullish with this whole court case, with this whole legislation as far as cryptocurrencies are concerned. So things are looking very good. Now, I told you guys the other day, it's like, look, we were getting a major bounce in the altcoin season. We bounced out of Bitcoin season, and we're now headed into potentially altcoin season. But it really depends on Bitcoin, what's going to be happening with Bitcoin. Because if we take a look at Bitcoin, Market Cyber is giving us that red blood diamond, which is very bearish. It could be a very bearish signal, but sometimes I've seen this red blood diamond actually play out for a reversal to the upside. But right now we're getting a lot of selling volume with Bitcoin, and we're getting it head and shoulders. We know that this is bearish. This right here is bearish, and this is the neckline. So we could end up dumping down to about 34. That's certainly the bearish scenario. But what we also could do is if we zoom into the price, we're seeing an uptick. We're seeing some buying volume. We're seeing a bit of a strong bounce, especially as Ethereum is carrying the whole market right now. So if Bitcoin can break out of this pattern that we're seeing, this head and shoulders, and start breaking out of it, especially with this level of resistance, about 40,000, things could be looking very good for the crypto market, at least in the relative short term. But as we can zoom out, if we zoom out and take a look at what's going to be happening in the next couple of months, we see that Bitcoin is very, very bullish. Despite this little pattern right here, Bitcoin is very bullish because look at how much we've gone up. We went up from 28 all the way to 42,000, which in gains, in a matter of 11 days, 45% from the bottom to the top. That is very, very fast, and that's very bullish. So when things are starting to pump up and push up really hard and really fast like that, that is a big sign that things are taking place. Changes are taking place for cryptocurrencies. And these changes are very bullish because we are in a bearish pattern. We are in a bearish formation for the last 2 months, and now that has changed. We are no longer in bearish territory. We are in bullish territory. We just pumped. So just remember all of that. Remember to zoom out, because if we zoom out, things are looking very good. We finally broke some levels of resistance in this area. This is very bullish. And let's take a look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin is still looking bullish. If Dogecoin started to break down and break down and down, which is not happening, it's holding up strong, then I would be concerned to a degree. What we did notice the other day, though, if we zoom into this, there was a pretty significant drop. And what happened after that significant drop, there was a major bounce up very fast. So it looks like if we zoom into the price of Dogecoin, we're seeing a potential triple bottom take place. Look at this. This is the 30-minute time frame. We have a W. We bounced all the way up. We got rejected at this level of about 20 cents, ended up coming down. We dumped, but now we're starting to get another bounce. So this triple bottom right here, 1, 2, 3, could end up being a bullish reversal pattern, something we want to be aware of. But look at this. What happened is when we came down to this level the other day, we got brought back up really, really fast. So that goes to show you that we're actually getting a lot of volume right now as I'm speaking. But it goes to show you that Dogecoin is still alive. If Dogecoin was dead and the interest was gone and Dogecoin wasn't going anywhere, Dogecoin would continue to go down to 10 cents, 7 cents, 5 cents, 3 cents, eventually to 0. But Dogecoin is holding up in these times. So I'm not worried about Dogecoin because there's a lot of catalysts for Dogecoin left for the end of the year. There's a lot of really good things that's going to be happening to Dogecoin. That's happening to Dogecoin right now behind the scenes. So don't give up. Don't lose hope. I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. Continue to hold with diamond hands, and patience will be rewarded. And if you want a good platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin or Cardano, use my WEBULL link. If you sign up and deposit $100 using my link, they will send you 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000, which you can immediately sell anytime. And if you guys got something out of the video, make sure you smash the like button, share this video with some of your friends and family, blow up the comment section. I will see you all tonight.